All right, here we have Alan, and just about 4 months ago he came to see us for some bone-on-bone osteoarthritis of his right hip. And were you told you needed a hip replacement before?
Everybody was pushing me that direction.
Okay. Yeah.
I did not want to do that.
Yeah, and so we decided to do the laser stem cell signaling program. And 4 months later, how is the hip holding up? So.
It's so much better.
Okay.
I've got motion, I've got range, and the pain is still there.
Mm-hmm.
But I have bad habits that I continue to put in there. But overall, yeah, I'm about 40% better, I would say.
Remember I predicted about 10% improvement a month, so you're right on track.
Yeah.
For 4 months
So I'm doing things now that I would not even think of doing before. I would have to think before I took a step.
Uh-huh.
Now I don't.
And are you able to get up and walk without your cane now?
I can do that.
Well, can you prove it? Go ahead and get up and walk
You
to the
sure?
door and back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at him. You just pop right back up.
I just popped up.
Uh-huh.
There's still a little limp, but after I walk for a little bit,
It loosens up.
yeah, of course.
Yeah, because your body's so used to the cane, now we got to retrain you
Yeah,
like
exactly.
without it.
That's exactly what's going on.
All right, Alan, I'm happy with the results. You're right on track. And
Super.
we're going to give you a treatment with the Shockwave device to keep the cells stimulated. And we'll have it back in a couple months for your 6 months follow, okay?
Okay.
All right, keep up with the
Sounds
gym, all the stretching, the strengthening, and we'll
Mhm.
go from there. Congratulations.
Sounds
okay?
great.
All right, that's
Thank you
good.
so much.
All right.
Yeah.